How's it going, YouTube? So today I bring you everything that you need to start your own YouTube channel. All the items that you actually need, even for your phone. We have mics, lights, tripods. Everything I'm gonna show you today is no expensive at all, and you guys gonna be able to get it in even Amazon. Super easy to do. Okay, so let's get into it. So the first item that you have, it will be the mic. It will be a shotgun mic, super easy to set up, even though you do have to buy the attachment when it comes to an Android or iPhone. You have to buy the attachment to be able to connect it to your phone. I'm gonna put that in the description below as well, so make sure to check that one out, okay? So the second item that we're gonna be using today is gonna be the tripod. I'm actually using that now. Super strong consistency. It is not at all just a piece of plastic. It works super well with your iPhone. You're gonna be able to put your microphone and everything. It doesn't come with an attachment that you can use the iPhone and the mic at the same time. So you should be, I'm gonna show you an item that I have for my own camera that you guys can buy anywhere in Amazon too. Or if you guys wanna go above or beyond, you can also get like a kit for your iPhone, like an entire kit for your iPhone. So I think it just depends on the budget that you have right now. So the third item that we're gonna have is gonna be the ring light. It's the one that I'm using right now to record this video. It's a super powerful light, as you guys can see. It's not even on the max level right now. It also came with another attachment that you guys can use to change the temperature of the light. So make sure to check that one out too. It's gonna be super useful for your videos, okay? The fourth item, this is gonna be a bonus. This will be another ring light, but specifically for your table or computer. You guys can use it in both of those places. I consider to myself, I think it will be more for like a podcast or a streamer, content creator, obviously. But it's super well constructed as well. You guys can see how powerful it is. You can change colors and everything. So that's just for you streamers that out there that you guys want to check that one out too. Go for it. Thank you for checking out this video, guys. I hope I bring you some insight when it comes to starting on YouTube and everything that you need, all the items that you need. I'm gonna put everything in the description below, so you guys can check that one out too. And I suggest that you guys get at least this mic. I love this mic, how it sounds. So make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. You guys are gonna be able to see more video like this every week. So I'll see you on the next one.